What a nice day. Hi boys and girls. Are you ready to go for a walk in nature right here in your home? We can do a whole bunch of exercises while going for a walk in the woods and having fun. What you need to do is follow along with the actions that I do, just like I do them. Make sure you have enough space around you, and let's begin. Lift up your knees and let's go for a walk in the woods. Now make sure you lift your knees really high to step out over all of those rocks as you're walking through the forest. Can you see the sun shining? It's such a nice day. Well, let's go a little bit faster, because I think I hear some wolves howling and it's making me kind of scared. Right. Do you see what I see? It's a wolf. If we're gonna get away, we're gonna need to be really, really, really fast. Run as fast as you can in the spot, lifting your knees up and pumping your arms. Faster, 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 faster. Look behind you, it's coming. Be really, really fast. The wolf is coming so fast. You're gonna get away from it. Go faster and faster and faster. Phew, I think it's gone. But you know what we have? This log right here. We're gonna have to balance to get across it. Are you ready to balance with me? Take a big step and balance on one leg on the log. See how long you can hold this pose while balancing on the log. Ready? Start balancing. Can you hold it for 10 seconds? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's try the other leg. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and one more time on this leg. 1, 2, 3, don't fall off. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and one more. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10.
Go.
Oh my, do you guys notice? I hear a buzzing sound right in my ear. There are mosquitoes all over here. Let's see how many you can get. Start swatting all the mosquitoes. Make big circles with your hands. Get them away from your head. Circle all the way around, backwards. And getting rid of all the mosquitoes. Let's go backwards now with our hands. Getting all the mosquitoes away from us. And let's count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. They're not going away. Let's try slapping them. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's get the ones over here. Let's clap with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. You know what? I think we're gonna have to run away from them. Let's go. Start running. Running away from the mosquitoes. Swat them as you're running. Swat them away. Get them away from you. Going through the forest. What is that? It's a sleeping bear. We shouldn't wake it up. We're going to have to tiptoe around the bear. Can you go on your tiptoes and lifting your legs as high as you can go to go around the bear? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. You know what, boys and girls? I think we need to get away. Let's run this way. Are you ready? Let's go. Start running away from the bear. It's still asleep. It's not going to find us. But we have to be really fast. You ready? We're going to go super, super fast in the spot. Faster, 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 faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's go. Do you guys see this ladder? It looks like it would be really fun to climb. Let's climb it together by lifting our knees really high and grabbing on like this. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Lift your hands up really high. Reach for those ladder rungs. 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But now we got to climb back down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Whew, that was good climbing that ladder. Do you see this kangaroo here? Hey, Mr. Kangaroo, why do you have boxing gloves on? You like to box? But we're not allowed hitting in gym, so I don't know if I can box you. It's okay as long as we put on boxing gloves? Okay, let's put on our boxing gloves and we'll box Mr. Kangaroo. Now we're gonna go like this. 1, 2. You guys ready to do it with me? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's try it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's do a couple more. Up hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What was that, Mr. Kangaroo? You have to get going home? Well, thank you very much for the boxing fun. We'll see you later. Ooh, boys and girls, do you see what I see? That is a puddle. Let's put on our rain boots and we can go jumping in it. Let's see how many times you can jump in this puddle with me. Are you ready? 1, 2. See if you can get your knees really high. 3. Let's make a big stomp. 4. Even higher. 5. And higher. 6. And higher. 7. And higher. 8. One more. 9. And let's do a 10th. The biggest splash ever. You ready? 10. Boys and girls, are we stuck in this puddle? We're gonna have to swim really hard if we're gonna swim all the way to the top. We're here with all these fish. You ready to swim with me? Let's do the front crawl. Bend your knees and move your arms and swim up and up and up and up and up and up and up. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's do the breaststroke. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's do the backstroke. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And let's do the dolphin kick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's swim out of here. Whew, it's good to get out of that lake. There it is behind us. Sure was a lot of fish in there. Next time we'll have to bring our fishing rod. Well, let's get ready to walk back home because we've had quite the adventure. You know what? I think I hear people calling us. We better hurry up. Let's start jogging back home. Lift your knees up and let's jog back home. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We made it back here safe to the gym. I hope you guys had fun today going on a walk with me and getting to see all those cool things along our forest hike. You can do this as many times as you want this week, and maybe the next time you do it, you can invite somebody who's already in your home to do it with you. Until the next time we see each other, stay healthy and stay fit. Bye for now.